Hi guys, how you're doing? It's the one and only Edlin Watamai here with this business channel called Mount Walker 888. Now, if you need some information regarding to business or how to run your small business, or even if you are liquidated in terms of a business or you're running out of ideas, you can actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll highly appreciate it. Also, there is a link in the comments whereby it gives you all my information as to how to get through to me, as well as my email address that will be placed right here. Okay, today what's going to happen is that I will be speaking about something that's very sensitive regarding to business. Okay, so make sure that you do have a pen and paper ready, because I'm going to teach you as to how to get out of liquidation. Now, I have been in the business industry for 25 years, okay, starting from age 11. So meaning that I've been running a flea market on my own with my mom, with the guardians, you understand, regarding to my business, okay. So therefore, I have been liquidated in a business twice, okay. It was for my modeling agency, and it was for my makeup artistry agency as well, which whereby I was selling makeup as well. So today I'm going to actually teach you as to what did I do with ML Industries. Okay, ML Industries was running for over 15 years under me, and regarding to SARS, I was paying tax like normal. And not only that, I was going through the normal facilities regarding to running a high corporate business. But what happened is that all the mistakes that I did, it made me a strong person of who I am today, regarding to even my new AI business, which you will check in the link of my website as well on the comment section, whereby I actually do AI artistry, meaning that I'm artist in AI, as well as I'm a graphic designer, as well as an AI filmmaker, as well as I've got AI stores. I've got plenty of things which you can go check in my bio, my AI store for my digital products, as well as my affiliate marketing regarding to my threads, okay, which you will check the link down below, okay, in my website. So I have done a lot of mistakes regarding to business. Now guys, it is kind of like the evening, so therefore in South Africa, I am actually from Johannesburg, South Africa, so therefore if I'm sounding like I'm down, my apologies. Okay, let's get straight to the point. Now, how you're going to save your liquidated business is this. Firstly, number one, your cash flow. You need to reduce on your cash flow payments as well as your stock intake. So what's going to happen is that instead of you going and buying a lot of stock, even if you are like saying you're taking a risk, what you need to do is that you have to make sure to reduce your stock level, as well as do your bookkeeping for the next every week if you are in the liquidation process. Okay, another thing is that you need to face the fact that you are about to be liquidated or you need help. You need to go to a creditor or a bank whereby you owe the debt regarding to your business, and therefore sit with a debtor or go to a debt management process, and therefore speak as to how to do payment of arrangements. Now, when you do payments of arrangements regarding to the business, what's going to take place is that even if you are licensed, they are going to see that you are trying your best to actually reinstate your business. Okay, now the third thing that I would like to say is that you need to cut cost as all possible. Okay, so say for instance, don't think of what people are going to think or what people are going to say. If you have an unwanted car that you have for the business, you need to sell it. Okay, it's going to pay off your debt regarding to the debt collectors, as well as it's going to assist you regarding to getting more products, as well as payments regarding to advertisements. Okay, so you can get a higher influx of people coming through to save your business. Okay, I'm giving an example of a car. I'm not saying you must go sell your car. I'm just saying that you need to be with reality, knowing that you're about to lose your business. Okay, not only that, what you need to do is that when you're coming to overspending in stock, you need to take out the stock that is getting sold the most. So say for instance, you are running a butchery business, and say for instance, beef is getting sold the most. Yes, it's more expensive, but you can see many people want beef. You are going to place your stock towards that. Okay, and therefore you're going to have less chicken, less force, less this, you understand, and place it more into what the people want. Go with your niche market. Don't care about what you want, care about the people that are buying. That's why you need to analyze on the shelves as well as the store. Maybe if you have employees, you need to analyze for a week or so who is coming in and what they want, so you can put the main stock of that so that you can save your business. Another thing is that, guys, unfortunately, you're going to have to start reducing staff members. So I'm going to assist you with this. What you need to do is that you need to cut the hours, right? And then you need to go on the floor yourself so that you can actually cut cost, okay? So what you're going to do is that if it's too much for you as you're on the floor, you can go to freelancers like Fiverr and Upwork, or you can go to any task freelancing regarding to Gumtree, or it's classifies like Craigslist, and then check for those who are doing the same business that your employees couldn't do because you cannot afford them, okay? And therefore they actually charge cheaper, especially if you are taking a freelancer from South Africa, okay? Choose South Africa, please, because you know the reason why. Our accents are neutral, and therefore we got a high level of education basis, as well as Seychelles. And also another place that is good is Lesotho as well, and Botswana, okay? So therefore you need to choose places whereby they got a neutral accent so that you can understand one another regarding to freelancing capabilities. And then what's going to happen is when you get somebody in that, they're going to charge you more affordable rates. Therefore you can save your business if you're in the United States, okay? Now another thing is that you just need to be honest with yourself and go and sit with an attorney. Now, you can get a state attorney, therefore it's free of charge, whereby it's kind of like legal aid. And therefore, they're going to give you advice as to what to do next, okay? And how to reinstate your business regarding to your licensing. Because when it comes to your LLCs as well as or your licensing, whether you're in Africa or wherever, they are going to take it or seize it from you because you are getting bankrupt. But therefore, as you are going to your debtors to go and speak about it, so therefore you can try and reinstate and try and ask the law as to how to do the next step regarding to that. Now, which I cannot give that information because it's private and confidentiality, and I don't know what you are going through regarding to liquidation, okay? Or whether you went through gambling or something happened towards your business. Now, guys, I hope that helped you and assisted you. Now, thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate it. Make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And therefore, I do have a sister channel, which is the Rumba app, whereby you can go check out my mental wellness channel, whereby I speak regarding to motivation, which I'm going there now. And therefore, I do have an AI podcast, which is called Elite Entertainment Management or Elite Entertainment Channel, whereby I'll write it there on the top here, okay? Whereby we speak about relationship and intimacy as well as on X, okay? So therefore you can go check me out, especially that link there where you can get all this information. Bye, guys. And if you could not actually hear me, I apologize. But therefore you must go this route, and I'm telling you, you will be able to win your business back. Bye, guys.